It's Gold Boy, baby.
Gold Boy! Gold Boy Productions presents Williams Entertainment Group. They Saints. USA football coach Reggie Williams, aka Phenomm, presents sounds of the game. Breathe, lead us through. We been to boogie. We got it, not looking. We want number 2. Dismantling all the rookies, Saints coming through. We about to take all the cookies, dominating the league, beat odds. We break the bookies in the trenches. My line pull like winches against us. You boys gotta be senseless in an instance. A 3rd and 15, we go the distance. Play the game to win, losing to you is senseless. Rhythm and time and discipline are the elements. Fundamentally sound, digging up root the sediments. Here in position, I'm gone. You wonder where I went. Juke right, juke left. Bow, pay due reverence. Ever since I got in the league, we've been great. Evolution, you boys slow down, pick up the pace. They hate my motor, so now it's called motor hate. Surge and leaping, spring touchdown, call it my leap of faith. We that, they say. We that, they say. We that, they say. We here and we coming to the rain. Go Saints. We that, they say. We that, they say. We that, they say. We here and we come to get the rain. Go Saints.
And right there, Reggie didn't have to do anything. Didn't have to use a stiff arm, didn't have to lower his shoulder pads or anything. Just use that great athletic ability that he has, and he has the ability to do things like that.
At its finest, win or lose, it's a plus, not a minus. We get excited when the ball hit the tee. 40 minutes, pure action, that's what it's gonna be. We gon' snap it on 3, pay attention to the ball. 4th and 1, pass a run. Ready, you make the call. We gon' march like Saints. Fellas, give it your all. 4th quarter, sudden death. When it's over, we standing tall. We that, they say. We that, they say.